Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan account to earn miles and enjoy member benefits, follow these simple step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Alaska Airlines website at alaskaair.com or open the Alaska Airlines mobile app on your smartphone to access your mileage plan account. Step 2. Log in using your mileage plan number or the email address associated with your account, along with your password. If you're new, create an account first. Step 3. After creating your account, check your email inbox for a verification message from Alaska Airlines. This email confirms your account creation and provides a verification link. Step 4. Open the verification email from Alaska Airlines and click on the verification link or button provided. This will redirect you to the Alaska Airlines website and confirm your email address. Step 5. If you didn't receive the verification email, log in to your account and navigate to your profile settings to find an option to resend the verification email. Step 6. Complete your mileage plan profile by providing additional information such as your full name, date of birth, and contact preferences for receiving updates and offers. Step 7. For enhanced account security and faster check-in, add your phone number to your profile. Alaska Airlines may send you an SMS verification code to confirm your mobile number. Step 8. Enter the SMS verification code if prompted to complete phone number verification. This helps secure your account and enables mobile boarding passes. Step 9. Review your account information to ensure everything is correct, including your name exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID for smooth airport processing. Step 10. Once verification is complete, you can start booking flights, earning miles, and accessing your mileage plan member benefits and exclusive offers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.